report shows a department-wise, head-wise summary of salary. This report gives you an overview of the costs per department, also gives you an overview of the costs for each salary head. Step 1. Pick a salary period. Step 2. Pick locations. Step 3. Choose departments from the selected locations. The report is ready. This report is usually generated right after each salary processing to identify the cost of each department. You have the option to generate this report for a particular department or for all departments in a particular location.